How to fix Strikers Club is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game, open up the properties, and in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close out of Steam, open up your browser. Now you will need to go to this link, which is in the description below. And from here, you want to download the distributables, the 86 installer and the 64 specifically. And once you finish the installation, this will require computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So make sure to get the NVIDIA app if you're running NVIDIA GPU. Otherwise, you can download the AMD software if you're running AMD. And from here, check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest driver update. Now, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from the library. And it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.